Before starting this video, I request you to press the red subscribe button, press the bell icon under the options menu, select all so that you won't miss any notifications from my channel. Welcome to Raj Creations. In this video, we are going to show this beautiful patchwork motif. I have included this in border. Let's have a look at the sketch. This is how we have to draw this. This is the first step of a sketch. Now the second one has been started. There are 4 steps in it. 2 are for outlining and 2 are for filling. The first step of filling is as you are seeing in video. Now the last step of filling. This we have to do on fabric. Let's have a look at this on fabric. Observe the thread movement, how we have to turn the thread. This is the first step of this motif. Observe the thread movement. Always start like this. Complete the now starting the second step. Here I am using 4 strands of thread. This gives a nice finish to it. You can also do it with 3 or more strands of threads as per your requirement. If you do the outline part properly, you will easily fill the pattern. If there is any mistake in outlining, the pattern will not be filled easily. So observe the thread movement, how the thread has to be turned. Now the outline part has been completed. We are starting the filling part. This is the third step of this motif. I have used a single color thread. You can also do it with different color threads also. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. If you practice it on paper first and then try it on fabric, you will easily do this. The border design which I have shown is self-explanatory. You can easily draw this border, and the stitches used in this border are frequently used in my previous videos. You can go through them. Do not stretch the thread too much. Do it with ease. Please do subscribe to my channel and share my videos. This will be helpful. to me. If you are new to Kutch work, you can follow my previous videos, the basic starting videos. They will be helpful to you. Now the third step has been almost finished. We will fill the inner part of the motif, which will be the fourth step. Always follow the same sequence so that you won't get confused in filling or outlining. One up and one down rule has to be followed while filling, as you are watching in video. If your outline is correct, you can easily do it. Otherwise, there will be mistakes. Now the third part of this motif has been completed. Pull the thread inside and start the fourth step of this motif. If you have any difficulty in doing this, let me know through comment section. In this way, you have to fill the entire Kutch work motif. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Thank you.